Hey guys, it's Dave Mormon. I'm your home service business coach. I hope you're having an awesome day. What I try to do with this channel is bring you one piece of practical advice that you can go through and watch my short video here, and you can finish it and you actually have like a key takeaway that you can take and put directly into your home service business. I've been in home services now for over 12 years. I've had a couple different painting businesses. Now I have a pressure washing business that also has a Christmas light division. So I've been able to develop set processes and systems. I coach students on how to systematize their business, but I also make this channel to offer free practical advice for you, the home service business owner. So thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be talking about what it means. I like to say it a lot, but in staying in your lane as an entrepreneur. But specifically, I want to be talking on, commercial work versus residential work. And I want to tell you why in this video I'm a big fan of residential work. So, if we're going to be staying in our lane, what happens all too often is the home service business owner goes out, he buys a pressure washer at Home Depot, as I did, and you start to brand yourself as you are the guy to wash anything. And so if you're not laser targeted in your branding and in your advertisement, you're gonna start attracting people from all over. You're gonna have homeowners, you're gonna have commercial businesses, property managers, high-rise buildings contacting you. So you gotta be very laser targeted and stay in your lane. So what we've done is a strength of mine is marketing and branding. And so I wanted to make my business appeal to the affluent residential customer. So in my business, we have this ideal customer profile that we've built out for who's our ideal customer that we want to be working for. And she just happens to be over here, the affluent homeowner. That's our ideal person who we want to be working for, who we want to be servicing. So as we get calls in, we're able to qualify on the phone, like, is this an ideal customer or is this not our ideal client we want to be working for? So we're very clear, we're not working for general contractors. We're not doing post-construction cleaning. We only work 4 stories and below. We don't do any high-rise work. We don't remove any funky oil stains. We don't do wood restoration or any technical work where you need to have the crazy technical skills. So part of me, the business owner, is creating this brand, this system that we can bring a technician in and get them trained within 2 weeks and have them on a crew pumping out the jobs at a very high quality, getting 5-star reviews and helping grow our business. So we've identified all the things over here that we are not, and then we've identified over here the things that we are, which is we offer high level of service on every job. We make doing business with us very easy for consumers. We're a premium price model. We're not the dollar store of pressure washing. We're not Chuck in a Truck or Bucket Bob or you name Squeegee Steve, whatever you want to call him. We're not that. We're a professional brand that prices premium in our marketplace. So I've kind of stayed in our lane over here with residential, and I'm not saying there's not money in commercial, because there definitely is. I've got friends that do strictly commercial work and they do very well. Why I chose not to go that route is because I wanted to have a business for me and my family's lifestyle, and also for my team's lifestyle. That's another reason why we don't do snow plowing. We don't do these crazy commercial contracts. We're not trained to do it. Nor do I want to be getting calls at 2 or 3 in the morning that we have to go salt this multi-housing complex, or we're getting calls. I hate jobs when they're on a timeline. They're stressful and they're annoying. Again, that's why we like residential work. It's lower stress, it's way better on the lifestyle. It's typically 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. You can have evenings off, weekends off. Again, there's money in both sides, but what I would suggest as you grow this thing is start to figure out, are you over here the hands-on owner? You like to make good money and you don't mind getting bothered at all hours of the day and jumping out in the truck, and you're really good with the tools and equipment, then commercial could be a thing for you. If you're over here and more like me, systems, finances, branding, marketing, hiring a team, culture, vision, that's probably going to be a little bit better for you focusing on residential. You can make millions of dollars in either side, so I'm not trying to sway you one way or the other. I want to just give teaching and training in this video what's worked for me and what I really like. So overall in my business, you know, 85% of our revenues over here with residential. We do some low-rise commercial cleaning where it's not timeline related and where we have skills and training to do it. But again, we know very clearly what type of business we are. So a few reasons I love residential, like I said, the timeline, the lifestyle is definitely a big win. 2 is I really like working for homeowners because you can typically get paid right away. You know, you're getting a check that same day or a credit card payment. Over here on commercial, you could be waiting 60, 90, 120 days. A lot of times these jobs too will be subcontracted to a company who's subcontracting, and so the person you're working for isn't necessarily even writing the check for the project. So you got to be really careful stepping into those bigger commercial jobs. You know who's in charge, who's going to be paying you, and what's the timeline of payment. You also want to make sure your insurance is up to date, because a lot of people have insurance for residential jobs but not necessarily for commercial jobs over here. So the timeline's great, you get paid right away, which is great for cash flow reasons, especially starting up. You know, you want to go get a job, get paid, take that to the bank, put it reinvested in the business, do it again, do it again. Residential jobs, they're typically easier to do. Again, a thing I like. Some commercial jobs are easy, but typically you don't need as much technical know-how to do the project. And you know, they're typically smaller jobs as well, and that could be a win for commercial, yeah, but small jobs are nice because you get them done, they're less risk. You know, if you run across a crazy homeowner, you're done with them on that Wednesday, Thursday morning, you can reset. If you get in a big commercial job, you're in over your head, you could be there for, you know, days or weeks, that problem is just continuing. So whether you do commercial, residential, I think in cleaning a big thing is you want to get your customer on a recurring schedule. So lots of commercial jobs will have budgets to be on recurring schedule, and homeowners, I think as our service economy continues to evolve, we're going to be programming more of our homeowners to have this recurring mindset type of thing that we just call, you know, fill in the blank pressure washing, to come every spring and take care of our stuff. So that would be one encouragement I'd have to you as you get your business going. Start to talk assumptively to your customers about getting them on a recurring schedule, because that's, if you can get premium price jobs on a recurring schedule, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, low stress jobs, the residential model is going to be amazing for you. So to sum up, we like residential for those reasons, and I just don't have a ton of experience with commercial. That's why I really like this model. I preach what I do with my business, so but I'm not disqualifying that you can't make money over here, because you definitely can. So I would write up on a piece of paper what your skills are as a business owner, what you envision this business being, and it's going to be very clear kind of which side you should kind of channel into. The world's a big place, and there's so many streams in home services, let alone in pressure washing. You can take it different ways, but ultimately just remember, you don't want to be a slave in your business. You want to get your business serving you, the home service business owner. So thanks so much for watching, staying with me to the end of the video. If you can like this video and also subscribe to my channel, I keep the free videos coming, 1 per week every Friday morning, to serve you, the home service business owner fighting the good fight. We'll talk to you guys later, and take care.